Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. Today we're opening up the Chic beauty box, and spoiler alert, I tried on most of the things in here and I am loving it. I have on my face now. But Chic beauty box, for those who do not know, is a bi-monthly beauty subscription, so you get it every other month. It's $34.99 and you get around like $150 worth of beauty products. And there's brand names you know and then new ones to explore as well, and it's based off a profile and I am loving it. Emmy's chewing on something. Emmy, there's an eyeshadow palette. Emmy, you're not supposed to chew on that. She likes adhesives and tape and stuff. You're so cute. I feel bad taking away from her. But anyways, I will link Chic Beauty Box down below if you are interested in subscribing. This was kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. And I don't believe I have an affiliate link either. If I do have a code or anything, I will leave it in the description box. So yeah, comes in this cute box here. It actually came in like a bag and then this was inside. So yeah, let's get it open. You get 5 items. And I think this is the main June box. Let's see what it says here. Yeah, the main June box. And it comes with this little card here. And on the other side, it lists everything inside. And it has a total of $138, taxes not included. And there is a referral program. It says here, if you scan that QR code, you can get 20% off. And also, if you become a subscriber, you can also get $10 credit for anyone that subscribes with your QR code. So if you wanted to screenshot the video or just message me and I can send that to you. Yeah, let's just get started. I'll keep this nearby to reference the prices. So how about we start off with the thing I did not try, but maybe we can try it now together. Well, there's 2 things here, and they're both by Suva Beauty, and this looks really interesting. I'm curious about it. So it's the Suva Beauty Hydra Fix Doodle D, and it's in the shade UV, and it says it's for body art. So I wasn't positive if this is like for your eyes as well. I was gonna look into that and also ask you guys. It doesn't say anything about not being eye safe, but it looks really bright and fun. And I think it is to draw like literal designs, because when you look at this, you can see all the little doodles there and stuff. So you can like paint things on your body, like for music festivals this summer. Cool. And look how bright and fun the colors are. Like so fun. I love it. And this has a retail value of $16. And then I love that they included a brush to do the work, like detail work with this. This is also by Suva Beauty, and it's their 620 brush. Yeah, and this brush is $13. And it says on the box here to use a wet brush. As you can see, I kind of wet it and then put it back. What it looks like. So let's just draw like a little heart on my hand or something. Hopefully it's wet enough. I don't usually have water right next to me at all times, but I don't right now. So it says, where did it go? For body art usage, activate using a wet makeup brush, remove using warm water and or makeup remover. So hopefully it's wet enough. If not, I will get up and grab some, but super fun colors. Let's see. Is it wet enough? I don't think it is. I wonder if I can swatch it with my fingers. No, I think it really actually needs water to be activated. Okay. I wish I could be like, Emmy, fetch me some water. Hold on. Oh, sandbox. Okay, so I just got this wet. I did pick it up then. So I'll just do how about little swatches for now. Here's that pink right there. Let's try the orange. I think I like the orange better. Let's see, is it buildable? Yeah, it looks like you can build up the color. So I'm not the most creative type, well, in the makeup sense. But I think this is cool. I feel like I need to like play around with it more and learn how to do like things, but I think this would be You would be able to do liner with this, I think, right? I feel like you need to have a little cup of water or like a little dish of water next to you while you're doing this because I think it dries up quickly, but I think that's cool. It's water activated. I feel like I've had something like this in the past. Yeah, it dried up already. Look at me trying to do a heart. I can't even tell that's a heart, can you? Oh, I have other swatches on my hand still, but yeah, that's something I do not have in my collection. I need to explore this more. If you guys have ideas or like how ways you use this, Emmy's on the scratching post, or if this can be used as eyeliner, let me know. I feel like it can. And yeah, so we get the brush too, and you can also use this for black liner if you wanted to, anything. But I feel like this is mostly for like detail work. What do they call it again? The liner brush. Okay, yeah, so for liner too. So those are the first two items by Suba Beauty, and I do like that brand. I've tried some of their items before in the past. So awesome. And then let's move on. How about I kind of showed you some swatches on my hand, and that is from the palette I have on my eyes. Let's talk about that next. This is by Cab Cosmetics, and this is their Day to Night palette. Day to Night, the Shadow palette it's called. Has a retail value of $52, and there's a bunch of shades in here, you guys. I did not use all of them, but I really do like my eye looks today. So this is what it looks like. You can tell by my fingerprints what ones I've really used. So I'll just tell you, I like how there's a mirror. It was really easy to do today. I used Naked to set my eyes. I used some eyeshadow primer, and then I put Naked over it. And then I used Georgia Peach in my crease. And then in my outer corners, I used Burnt Orange. I also ended up going in with a little bit of Dawn as well. And then I used Luna on my lid. And then I also used a highlighter that we'll talk about next. But I kind of washed my hands earlier, so I feel like let's put a few more. Let's test out some of the shimmers. Or here, Burnt Orange I think is like my favorite. I just love that shade right now. Like, look at that, so pretty. And that swatched so well. Look at that, so pigmented. And then what other one should I try here? Let's try Terracotta. Like these shades I just really am enjoying. I think there's a shimmer under this. We're gonna put it over. Nice. And then let's swatch Sunset. This one's gonna be like more purple pinky. And that's right there. And then there are remnants of some of them here. So yeah, look at that burnt orange. That's like by far my favorite shade. Okay, I want to do one more. Let's do Stella. That was my first cat's name forever ago. Yeah, I'm really liking like the oranges and stuff in this palette. So yeah, and I liked how it looked on my eyes. I'm not the best makeup artist in the world. I don't think I can even be considered one, but I really enjoyed using this. It was really easy, pigmented. I like the way it looks. So yeah, happy with this. I just can't get enough of the burnt orange. It's so pretty. Do I have anything to wipe my hands with? Let's put it in the box a little bit. And then the next thing we got was an Ofra highlighter, and it's one of those that has 4-in-1. This is the 24/7, I think it's called. Yeah. Oh no, it's called X's and Glows. And then it says be a 24/7 glow getter. So this is their liquid to baked formula, and I'm sure a lot of you know, like Ofra is like queen of highlighters. I used 2 of these shades, so there's 4 in here. I used this shade a little bit on my lids, and then in the very center of my lids I put that too, and then I put this shade on my cheeks. So I didn't use those 2. I am pretty fair, but I forgot how much I loved using Ofra highlighters. I haven't really been worn highlighter in a while now. I feel like I'm getting a sweat glow because I turned my air conditioning off, but I really enjoyed using this. And I don't really have too many in my collection anymore. So I'm super happy to get this back, and it's getting 4-in-1. I wonder if it tells you what these shades are, because a lot of times these are like shades you can get in singles as well. I don't think it does. All the eyeshadow fingerprints on there. But yeah, love getting Ofra. So exciting to me. $35 value. And it's like getting 4 highlighters in one. This lasts forever. And you can use it on your eyes too. So this is awesome. This is like the price of the box itself. And then what else do we have? Oh, my lipstick. I thought this went really well with the eyeshadow palette, and I really like how it looks. This is by Beauty for Certain. It's number 29 matte liquid lipstick. And this has a retail value of $22. It's cute, compact. And I really like it. Was where my lips have been a little chapped. I've been in the sun a lot and stuff, but it doesn't really, you can't really tell. It's comfortable. It was easy to put on. I didn't even use any liner. I usually like to use lip liner. Here it is swatched. I really like it. Look how complimentary it is. I love it. I have like a little pimple right now, and it kind of looks like I have a beauty mark. Or at least that's what I'll tell myself. But that was everything, you guys. What did you think? I loved this. It really inspired me. It's really fun to get back into makeup again. I actually put it on my to-do list to wash my makeup brushes today, finally. I brought that up in a recent video. I know one of you guys commented, like, to remind me, like, Kitty, wash your makeup brushes. Thank you. I saw that, like, yesterday. I was logged into another account, so I could not respond. I'm going to do that, and I will catch up on comments soon. Sorry, you guys. I've been so busy in a good way. Like, I went to Europe for a few weeks, and now my family's been in town, and it's just like a lot of fun, maybe too much fun. I'm like, oh, I need a break, but who needs a break from fun? You know, I shouldn't say that. I'm very grateful, and I'm so grateful for you guys for being here. I hope you are well. Let me know your thoughts in the box. Again, I will link to Chic Beauty Box down below. Thank you to Chic Beauty Box for sending this to me. I love your box. So grateful. Please subscribe, you guys, if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. Do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you so, so much. I've got a little pile of boxes going on, so you will see me super soon, and I can't wait. I love you. Bye.